For today's video, we are going to review this eyeshadow palette from Smashbox. This is their LA Cover Shadow Palette.
In this beauty I am mesmerized.
So this is what it looks like in the packaging. These are the shades. We have some Venice Peach, West Cider, Best Coast, Sunset, Vanilla, there's a Valet, Drop Top, Almond, Nectar, Rose Bowler, Canyon Copper, Java, Deco, Han, Platinum, and East Cider. When you open the box, this is what it looks like after you open it from the box. They have this coconut trees here with their logo, Smashbox. This is pretty summery vibes. And when you open it, it's magnetic. See that? And here are the shades. The mirror is very small, and instead of eyeshadow brush, they include gel eyeliner instead. I think I like that better actually, the eyeliner instead of the eyeshadow brushes. Let's start. I already primed my eyelids with the concealer. I'm going to set my eyelids first with this shade Vanilla. It's a little bit powdery. There's a little bit of fallout in the pan. I'm using this Real Techniques 402. This is their setting brush and setting my eyelids. I'm going to use this shade Almond for my transition shade. I'm using this Jeffree Star brush. This is their JS6. I'm going to use this shade Java for my outer corner of the eye. I'm going to use this brush from Morphe. This is the M429 to diffuse this product from my outer corner of the eye. I'm going to use this shade Rose Bowler for my middle part of the eye. So I'm going to use my fingers. Using this brush M429 to blend it with my outer corner shade. I'm using this brush M321 from Morphe, and I'm gonna use this shade Deco for the inner corner of my eye. This is the first time I use this eyeliner from Stila, and I'm excited to try this because there's a lot of good reviews about this. I'm using this Sephora. This is their smudge brush. And I'm gonna take this shade Best Coast, a pop-up of color under my eye. Next is I'm using this brush from MSQ. It's like a small blending brush. I'm gonna take this shade Java just underneath where I put the Best Coast shade earlier. I'm gonna use the eyeliner from the palette. This is their Smashbox Always On Gel Liner, Eyeliner Gel. In the shade Fishnet, if I'm not mistaken. Time check at 6:46 a.m. And let's see how many hours this makeup will last. So this one is actually a pretty good eyeshadow. But for the price of this one, it's actually a little bit expensive. and you don't get a lot of product in this pan. Hi, so it's been like 5 to 6 hours. It's already like 12 noon here and it's very nasty outside. Look at that, it's raining hard. See? Oof, not a good weather. And my makeup still looks good. I'm a little bit oily right here. It's not really oily, just a little bit shiny. It's a little bit shiny here. But my eye look is still okay. The eyeliner is still okay. Still in there. My lashes is coming off. Oh no. And my lipstick, I already ate lunch. And my lipstick is also almost coming off. I'm actually using the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick just in case you're wondering. And yeah, I'm gonna check in probably after a couple of hours. Okay, so hi everyone, it's already like 8 p.m. here in the evening, and as you can see, my makeup is already been in my face for like 14 hours. And yes, you can see it's ready for me to take this out. My lashes is like coming off in this part of my eye, and then the lipstick is gone. My eyeshadows are still there. You see that? My eyeshadow is still there. My liner is still there. Still there. It's not as dark as earlier. Definitely smudge in here. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.